You ready to get your bone? Huh? Get back. Get back. Yeah, I guess that's a yes. Huh? That's a yes, buddy. Huh? All right. Here come your B. Bye. But you gotta pick one though. Which one you want to start with? Okay. You hear? All right. Let's see which one you gonna pick. You ready to play pick-a-bone? Huh? Speak. Yeah, buddy. So you gotta pick between these two bones. What you want to start with first? You hear me? You ready? Pick which bone you want to start with first. Go. Pick a bone. Pick one. Yeah, gonna get your smell on. See which one you want first. Okay, you picked that one. All right. Get back. Sit down. Sit. Let him. Let Daddy get it so he can open it up. Sit down. He's gonna get the bone for you. Sit. Sit.
Move.
Good boy. Get your bone. Enjoy your bone. Let's go.
Combs. I got dust, water, breath, and a stone. Blended and gave it to a Hebrew to upgrade the bones. This living water can fill up the 5 Great Lakes. I live for olive oil to bless my iron breastplates. There's a limit to wisdom, a limit to mortal desire. Even as the scribe couldn't get combs. I got dust, water, breath, and a stone. Blended and gave it to a Hebrew to upgrade.